The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. Have you ever dreamed of living on top of the world? Well, here's your chance. These majestic vistas, peaceful valley and wonders of nature is not just a community but a peaceful lifestyle. Round Mountain Estates, situated on more than 4,000 acres in the highest point of Boone County, Arkansas with over 30 ponds and clear water springs, is a nature masterpiece. When you travel to where these lots are located within this community, it will take your breath away. Some lots sit as high as 1,900 feet up the mountain. Lots range from 0.5 an acre to 2.2 acres and will allow nightly rentals in this community. At Iron Bluffs, we hope that our property and team can offer sanctuary and counsel to shed some of the weight that you carry, put down your burdens, peel off your defenses and cast aside the walls life has put in your way and reconnect with the land. Build a legacy for the next generation. At Round Mountain Estates at Iron Bluffs, all residences are designed to embrace the Ozarks' natural terrain and vistas. Whether you're seeking a second home, an investment opportunity, or a full-time residence, Round Mountain Estates will accommodate custom homes from 2,500 square feet up to the square footage you desire. You may design your custom home from scratch or elect from one of our pre-approved plans and customize from there. Timber Lodges allows for a highly personalized home without the time investment that a custom home typically requires. You may start with one of our approved Timber Lodge plans. These plans range from 2,500 to 5,000 square feet and combine inspired native material exteriors and airy interiors. All Iron Bluffs property purchases include a multi-generational membership, a memory-making membership for future generations.